How I made over $600 on Binance without investing and without trade. Now I know this is the most anticipated video. I made a video and I was requesting for a response whether to make this video or not, and the result I got was overwhelming, especially on TikTok. I got over 200 response of people who are interested in this video, so I'm going to be sharing with you step by step. This video may be a bit long, maybe one of the longest video I'm going to be uploading, so do well to sit tight and watch this video through to the end as I detail and unveil with you several secrets Binance will not let you know, several secrets your crypto gurus would not tell you about. If you remember this video, I made it, was it a month ago? That was in August. On the 13th of August, I uploaded here on TikTok, and it was about, I did a creative video for Binance, because there was a contest that was ongoing, and it was for people to use their Binance swags to do a video representation of a day in their life with Binance. So I made that video. I did not have a Binance swag, I did not have a Binance t-shirt, I did not have a Binance cap, because that was all that was requested to be in that video. And they also requested that you should put, you can put at least one Binance product or instrument in the video. I did not have any of them, but I was a crypto user. So I do spot trading. I've been in the crypto space for about 2 years now. So since I did not have all those people, but I was actively doing spot trading and futures trading. And as well as been using Binance, I was eligible to contest. So I contested and I used a simple paper. And this was the paper. This is the paper I used. I got a plain paper and I wrote here Binance. I don't know if you can see the picture. I wrote here Binance on that paper. Because I did not have the swag, I got one of my hoodie and I placed this on. I had to pin it to my hoodie, and I used it to make that video I made. And it was the price for the video was $500 for the first price, and from the 2nd to the 7th they'll be getting a Binance swag, a Binance t-shirt, a Binance cap, Binance shoe, and the rest, a package of them. And I submitted my video. The request was just to upload it on TikTok with a particular hashtag. So the hashtag was Binance TikTok. So I uploaded that video, and the deadline was on the 15th of August. I think 15th or 14th of August, sorry. So because I've been contemplating earlier, since I saw the contest announcements on Binance timeline, because I've been following them actively on TikTok, here on Twitter, on YouTube, and I follow their announcements portal daily. I got the notification early, but I was contemplating, since I did not have any Binance swag to use. But then I thought of it, I was just creative in my mind. I had to use that paper to place it on my clothes, so that I can use it to show the day in my life using Binance. And I did it. It was successful. Then at the end of the contest, was it a week later, I got this message from Binance. You can read it. Congratulations, we are pleased to announce to you that you won the first prize position in the Binance TikTok challenge. I was surprised. Like, how did I win the Binance TikTok challenge? Like, I was sincerely surprised. So they told me I won $500 in BNB for just partaking in that contest. And the beautiful thing about it was, they said I was creative. That was the reason why I won, because I had to check a list of other people that participated in the contest, and most of them were not in Nigeria. I think I was the only Nigerian who was participating in that contest on TikTok here, and I was able to win that reward. And it said they were going to distribute it within the next 28 days after I sent them my UID, where they're going to deposit the money, which was deposited. Now, and again, there are also several gifts I've received from Binance. Just recently, I received about 19,000 Shiba from Binance as a free gift. I've received several. I've received $5 cashback vouchers. I've received $10. I've received several cashback vouchers just for using Binance without investing and without trading. So this is how you're going to be. I'm going to share with you how you can also partake in this and get this free Binance money without investing and without trading. So what you just need to do now is to go over to the announcement portal. Once you sign up, now if you don't have a Binance account, you can go over to the link in my bio. Now once you click on the link in my bio, how do you get the link in my bio? Just tap on my profile picture here as you're watching this video. Now tap on my profile picture. For those who are on TikTok, tap on my profile picture and it will take you to my profile, where you see my name, then you see a little bio about me, then you see a link there, Linktree chidifinance 1. Click on it. Now if you don't have a Binance account, you see where you have to sign up and earn free Bitcoin on Binance. Once you sign up with that, you'll be eligible to start earning money with Binance. But if you already have an account, there's no problem. So let's go ahead with this video. So once you sign up, you've created an account. All you just need to do is to, if you want, you can deposit a bit. Once your Binance page open, you go over to the more section, then you'll see some of the icons here. Then you look down, you're going to see activities. Once it opens, you're going to see ongoing activities, promotions, the ones that are expired, the ones that are popular, a lot of them that are ongoing, where you can make money. Then you go over to explore the latest activities. This is where you're going to see a lot of options for you to earn free money on Binance. So you can see, learn and earn real Binance and Binance features, a lot of opportunities, a lot of activities that you can jump in on and start earning money. Call out the creators, stand a chance to receive. So a lot of people who are using Binance don't know a lot about this thing. So this is a free tip, giving you for free. Some people would charge you to tell you about this secret about Binance, but I'm still telling you this secret for free. So all you just need to do now, this one requires video as well. So if you're a video creator, or if you know how to write, or if you know how to promote, whatever you know you can do. Now there is this promo that is ongoing now, this contest that they request. So Binance Futures is turning 3 very soon, I think this month, and there is a request from Binance that they should make a video about Binance Futures, and these are some of the guidelines for that video. If you're able to do that video completely correctly and you upload it as required, you do the needful. Now you can wait and hope, because there's definitely a possibility that your video will be accepted and you are going to earn $1,000. So for every person that does the video creatively and win, the first prize is $1,000. Then there are also several other prizes you can also receive even if you don't get the $1,000. So that is a secret promo I'm partaking in, so we can all join the contest and let's see whoever wins it. If you're the one who wins, I'll be very happy. At least I believe that my video would have helped you make money, because that's the goal of my channel is to help you make money online and attain financial freedom. So please and please, if you have a phone, you have an internet connection, instead of scrolling on TikTok daily without anything in return, jump in on this contest now and make out $1,000. If you're in Nigeria, you know what $1,000 can do. For $1,000 is roughly around 710,000 naira, calculating it at the black market rate. Then a lot of other prices also follow, so you know what it means. So for me, I've been able to cash out just a month now. I've been able to cash out $500. That was what, if you watch my video, that was what I used to get a new laptop and my new SR LCD monitor, my keyboard, my monitor, and my deck setup for my creative studio. So please and please, if you really want to make money, take Binance very serious, because they're actually going to pay you. Like, I'm a testimonial of Binance, and I really appreciate Binance. Binance, if you're watching this video, I really appreciate you for all you have been doing in the crypto space, how you're trying to democratize earnings for people who are from low backgrounds like me, who is from Nigeria. I really appreciate you for all you are doing. So guys, get in on crypto, get in on Binance now to start earning your money for free. If this video brought you a lot of value, make sure you comment "Thank you, chidifinance," and again, like this video. Again, make sure you're following and subscribing to my channel on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube, on any platform you're watching this video.